Hello everyone. Today we'll see the inheritance part. Inheritance is nothing but the acquiring the properties of the parent class, or we can say it is a superclass. So we'll take an example of the inheritance. For that we'll be creating a new project. So this is how we can create a new project. I'll give in that's it. That is okay for us. Finally click on the finish button. So this is how you can create your own class. In the SRC we'll have to take one example. We'll take the example of the car, the same example we have taken in the interfaces. So here we'll take the example of the car. So this is, we can call this car as a parent class, or we can say it is a super class. Inside this super class we will write one method. So the method is public void. We'll take method as model, and inside this model we'll write a statement system dot with the help of system dot out dot println println for the new line. Ln is to be there, otherwise we can directly write down print, and here I'll write model is Celerio. Okay, so this is one of the method that we have taken inside the car, which is a base class, or we can say it's a super class. Now we'll create a child class with new class. I'll give name as Maruti and finish. So this is how we can create a child class. For inheriting the methods from the base class, from the parent class, in the child class Maruti, we'll have to write down extend keyword. Extend. So which class we are going to extend is the car class. That is parent class. Maruti that we have created as a child, and this child is extending the characteristics from the car class. That is nothing but the inheritance is. So here in the child class or subclass, we'll write one method as, I'll write engine as a method. So inside the engine what we can do is we'll just write down a statement system.out.println. Last time we have discussed what is the shortcut for this println. I'll tell you what is the shortcut for writing the system.out. Instead of writing system.out.println plenty of time, we simply write down sout. Simply write down sout, press the control and space bar. That's it. You will get your statement system.out.println in front of you. Here we'll write engine as ABC123. That's it. Okay. So here we have created a car class, that is the parent class or super class. Here in the parent class we have taken a model method, and this car class is inherited by the child class Maruti. For that we have written extends keyword. So Maruti extends features or functionality of the car class, and here in the Maruti class what we have written is one of the method, engine method. Now task is to create a main method. So right click on the default package. We'll be creating another class that is the main class. I'll write my main class as a class name. As this is a main class, click here on the public static void main, click on the finish button. Okay, so as this is a main class, here we'll have to write down, or we'll have to call the methods. So I'll first create subclass object Maruti M just object name, new Maruti. Okay, so this is how we can create the object of Maruti. Maruti is the base, Maruti is a subclass or child class, whereas car is a parent class. So we have created an object of the child class. Now we will access the methods from Maruti as well as from the car class, parent class as well as from the child class. So with M method, M object name, we can call the method which is present inside the car parent class as a car. So model is one of the method. We can call that method with the help of the object name. And similarly, we call the method from the Maruti class. The method is engine. So we can call this engine method as well from the main class. Okay. So what we have done till the point, we have created a base class as parent class car. Here in the parent class, we have written one method. Inside the method, we have just printed something on the screen, that model scenario. Maruti class is a child class, and this child class is going to inherit the objective or the properties of the car class. So here we have to use, in case of the inheritance, we have to use the extends keyword. In the Maruti class, we have the engine. So that means your car class can have their own properties, own methods, own variables. Similarly, child class is also having its own methods, variables, and we can access this Maruti class. We can access the car class with the help of the object of Maruti. So we have created object of Maruti class as M, and we have invoked the method from the base class. This is base class method, and this is child class method. Okay, so this is how we can call the methods from the child class and as from the base class. And now we'll execute the coding. Okay, so this model method is basically from the car class, base class or parent class, and whereas this engine is basically from the child class. So what we have done is we have inherited this feature or functionality of the parent class inside our child class. That's it. Thank you.